Individual disability insurance IDI is designed to replace a portion of your income if an illness or injury prevents you from working. Unlike employer-sponsored disability plans, an individual policy is portable and you own it and can keep it even if you change jobs. Main type of individual disability insurances. 1. Short-term disability insurance, STD. It provides income replacement for the temporary disabilities. Typical features. Benefits begin after a short waiting period, often 0 to 30 days. Benefits duration usually 13 to 26 weeks. It replaces approximately 40 to 70% of your income. Best for temporary injuries, pregnancy and recovery, short-term illnesses, etc. 2. Long-term disability insurance, LTD. It provides income protection for extended disability. Typical features. Benefits often begin after 80 to 180 days. Benefit periods may last 2 years, or 5 years, or 10 years. In some cases to age 65, 67, or retirement age. Typical replacements, 40 to 60% of your income. Best for professionals, business owners, high-income earners, individuals with significant financial obligations. Disability definition, most important policy feature. 3. True own occupation disability, the gold standard for disability coverage. Its benefits are payable if you cannot perform your own occupation, even if you choose to work in another profession and earn income there. Example A. Surgeon loses line motor skills and can no longer perform surgery, but teaches at the medical school. The policy still pays full benefits. Best for physicians, dentists, attorneys, engineers, and those who specialized with different professions. 4. Modified own occupation disability. Benefits are payable if you cannot perform your occupation and are not working elsewhere. If you earn income from another job, benefits may stop. 5. Transitional own occupation disability. It's a hybrid approach. It allows benefits if you cannot work in your occupation, but benefits may be reduced if your earnings from another profession approach your previous income level. 6. Any occupation disability. The most restrictive definition. Benefits are paid only if you cannot perform any occupation for which you are reasonably suited by education, training, or experience. Generally less expensive but provides weaker protection. Partial disability coverage, etc. 7. Residual disability income. One of the most valuable policy features. It provides portion benefits when you return to work, your income drops because of the disability. You can perform some but not all of your duties. Example A. Dentists can only work 2 days per week instead of 5. Residual benefits help replace the lost income. 8. Partial disability insurance. Similar to residual disability insurance coverage. It provides benefits when a disability reduces your work capacity but does not completely prevent employment. It's specialized disability products. 9. Catastrophic disability insurance. It pays additional benefits for severe disability involving cognitive impairments, loss of multiple activities of daily living, permanent severe disabilities. It often purchased as a rider on a long-term disability policy. 10. Business overhead expense, BCE, disability insurance. It's designed for business owners, pays businesses expenses while the owner is disabled, rent, utility, employee salaries, office expenses, and keeps the business operation during the recovery time. 11. Key person disability insurance. It's purchased by the business on a critical employee or owner. It provides funds to help the business survive if the key individual becomes disabled. 12. Disability buy-sell insurance. It's used by business partners. It provides fundings for ownership buyout arrangements. Partner becomes permanently disabled. Important riders available. Many individual disability policies can be customized with Future Increase Option FIO. It allows increased coverage as income grows without a new medical underwriting. Cost of living adjustments or COLA. It increases benefits during the long-term claims to help offset inflation. Catastrophic disability rider. It provides extra benefits for severe disabilities and also student loan protection rider. It provides additional funds to help cover student loan and their payments during the disability time. Best choices by occupation. Occupation recommended type. Physicians, True Owners Occupation Ltd, Dentists, True Owner Occupation Ltd, Attorneys, Own Occupation Ltd, Business Owners, Own Occupation, it's Ltd plus B, Self-Employed, Own Occupation plus Residual Disability, High Earners, Own Occupation plus Future Increase Options, Employees with LTD at work, Supplemental Individual Disability Policy, and the most valuable individual disability policy in today's market, and it's generally considered the long-term, non-cancelable, guaranteed renewable, true own occupation disability insurance policy with residual disability benefits and a future increase option rider, especially for the professionals and business owners.